at 6.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Matthew Smith. Jessica Gill has the night off. Oh, with chaos and confusion surrounding a murder trial, a judge declares a mistrial. Just 2 days ago, a courthouse brawl between families unfolded right in front of the jury. And that happened after a family member of a murder victim was murdered himself. Chase Moffitt continues to dig into what's next for families.
Courtroom 408, empty Friday morning. Judge Leanne Reddelsdorf grants a motion for a mistrial submitted by the defense attorney of Charles Trotter.
It's frustrating for everybody involved, all sides, that there's a delay of any kind. And so we just have to deal with it. And again, the judge made this ruling in the interest of justice for everybody involved.
The case is a 2015 double murder. Trotter is accused of killing Marcel, Lovejoy, and Dexter Joseph. Wednesday, this fight in the halls of the courthouse broke out. About an hour after, 22-year-old Jarrell Haynes was shot and killed outside his grandmother's house.
It can be beautiful and it can be painful. Right now, my life is painful.
That's Jewel Shields, Haynes' mother. She says Jarrell was denied access to the Trotter trial because he didn't have ID and he left. Then, she says, he was killed.
I believe somebody followed him from court.
The chaos at the courthouse and the bloodshed in the street were both cited by Trotter's attorney to push and have the jury sequestered. Then, a day later, Thursday,
That boy testified, I don't remember.
the fatal shootings for which Trotter is on trial happened during a party. A man named Christopher Evans was there. Evans on the stand Thursday to testify to some of the details, but he appeared under duress. Prosecutors said Evans had been intimidated or threatened. Wednesday's fight, Wednesday's murder, and then Evans' testimony was too much for the defense, leading them to submit a motion for a mistrial.
It's very obvious there were some things that took place here in the courthouse. Everybody's doing everything they can to make sure that anybody from the outside can't manipulate or won't be able to manipulate the system.
Now dealing with her own loss, Shields afraid a different type of justice will win out. Fear.
They're afraid to be called a snitch. They don't want to be labeled as a snitch.
Frustrating indeed. Now, the new trial has been set for June 13th. Between now and then, both the state and the defense will have to go back through their case, look through their evidence, and those witnesses. There's over 30 listed in the case, and we know their testimony can help pinpoint whether or not Trotter is guilty or not. And we know exactly now that at least one of those witnesses had a tough time testifying, Matt.
All right, Chase, thank you for that live report. We now know they start the whole thing over again in June. Thanks.